Hey guys, another simple easy recipe for you, and it's called vegetable rice. Today I'm using the jasmine rice. I washed it and soaked it, cut up some onion, garlic and ginger into a pot with a little bit of oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to saute this for 2 minutes. Now there are different varieties of rice, guys. I choose the jasmine rice because it has a flavor into it and it also cooks very quickly. Once I'm done toasting this onion, garlic and ginger around, I'm going to place the soaked rice into the pot, and over medium-high heat you want to let this fry until the rice starts to get loose. Now you may be using brown rice if you want, but then just remember when you're going to add the water, add a little of water at a time and check the grains as you go for the right texture. At this point you can see I fried it and the rice is all loose. I'm going to add some hot water into this pot, just about half of an inch over the rice. Why? Because this rice cooks very quickly. Now if you're not too sure when you're cooking your rice, depends on what rice you are using, add a little bit of water at a time. I think I mentioned that a bit earlier. Stir it in, make sure that you season as you go. Those brown things that you are seeing there are the skin from the ginger, guys. I did wash it and grate it, and I strongly believe in using the ginger skin, but I will remove it just before I serve. Alright, so I add some complete seasoning, butter, some bouillon cubes, some salt. Just make sure you season to taste. Cover the pot, turn the heat down and let this cook until it turns like this. At this time the rice is not fully cooked. It needs just about 3 minutes more to cook, and the heat is still low, very low under this pot. So I'm going to mix it up, and like I said, I'm going to remove the ginger skins. Alright, now I'm going to advise you, if you're cooking for a function, the vegetables you're going to use into this rice, I would advise you to fry it up a little before you add it to your rice. But for me, this rice is well seasoned, and because I'm just doing it for home use, I'm going to go right ahead and add my vegetables into the rice. Now use any vegetables that you choose to. I did add some currants into mine. You can use raisins if you don't have currants, or you can just leave it out. Once I add it into there, I'm going to mix it up thoroughly, and it's that simple, guys. Easy to put together. Once it's done mixing, I'm going to place the cover over the pot and just let it sit there until I'm ready to serve for another 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. Simple and easy to put together. Don't you forget the type of rice you use. You may need more water or you may need less water. So it all depends. Yes, so thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. Give this vegetable rice a try and enjoy, guys. Leave me a comment below, and don't you forget to like, subscribe and share my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.